Hello friends, welcome to Caltex Academy. In this series of product rule, we have question number 3 here. And if you have not watched question 1 and 2, please go ahead and watch. I've made some link in the description of this video here, or you can check out the card somewhere here before you continue with this. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So we're given a function here that is y equals to x to the power of 4 ln x. So we can let u to be x to the power of 4, and then v equals to ln x. Then let's differentiate u with respect to x, so the u by dx equals 4x raised to power 3. Then we differentiate dv by dx of ln x is just 1 over x. Now we can combine them using product rule, that is dy by dx equals to v du by dx plus u dv by dx. And then we can make substitutions. So dy by dx equals to, the value of v is ln x, so we have ln of x times, then du by dx is this quantity 4x cubed, and then plus our u is x to the power of 4, then we multiply by dv by dx, which is 1 over x. And then we can go ahead and simplify this. So dy by dx equals to, now let me bring this in front of this, ln x, so we have 4x cubed ln x plus, now one of these x will cancel, so x here goes 1, and then this one will go to 3, and this x raised to power 3 will multiply 1, so we get here x raised to power 3. And then if we wish, we can go ahead and factor out x to the power of 3. Therefore dy by dx is equals to x to the power of 3 into 4 ln of x plus, here we're left with 1 because x to the power of 3 has gone out. Now that is the derivative of this function here. In case you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask or drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be available to answer you wherever necessary. So support this channel by subscribing and liking this video, and get tuned to the next question number 4 in the next video. See you there. Ciao.